everybody, this is Kevin from Humboldtcraftworks from Humboldt County, California. Hello. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 things, not 10, 5. The 5 things I use the most every single day, every day as a woodworker. I go to work and these are the 5 things I use the most. So for beginners, I would say, or the people who are just starting out, this is probably what you should do first. Get some tools, but you have to get these 5 things because it's very important. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blah! Okay, so the 5 things, and these 5 things I'm going to do in 5 minutes. So that's a minute apiece. So let's see if I can do this. Ready? Set the timer. Flinky. Flinky. Timer. Okay. Number 1 thing I use, more than anything, my glasses. I can't see. Well, I can see. I can see just fine, unless it's small. I can't see. So, glasses are the number 1 thing, because if you can't see what you're doing, you're screwed. You got the old people's glasses. These have, I can see, safety glasses, bifocals. Safety, bifocal. I can see, I can't see. I can see, I can't see. And on top of that, then you got the cool ones. Yeah, baby, But I look cool in these glasses, because, they're yellow. And then the last thing. Luke, I am your father, Luke. Bulletproof shield. Definitely need a bulletproof shield. The only problem with the bulletproof shield is when you're breathing and you're really working hard and you're pushing wood through the saw and stuff, they tend to clog up a little bit. So a little trick that you do, other than just lift it like this, is put a fan behind you, blowing this way, like one of those white fans, oscillator fan, and it kind of just spins around in there and gets all your bad breath out of there. And you don't steam up. I'm all steamy. Number 1 thing, definitely got to have your safety equipment on there, and then glasses on top of that, and there you go. Nothing can get me now. Of course, I can't see nothing because everything's all weird looking. Glasses. Number 1, glasses are a face shield. Number 2, I use every single day, and these don't really count. My gloves. I put my gloves on, extra grip. I know a lot of people say don't use gloves. As somebody who has had carpal tunnel surgery on both hands, see? See scars? Scars. Carpal tunnel surgery. And a total rebuild. I wear gloves. Alright, for the real number 2, we will do headphones. I said headphones! Because, you gotta wear headphones or you're gonna go deaf. I'll stop yelling now. These are really good. You can't hear nothing. Nothing. Headphones. Either use headphones or the little things you stick in your ears. What you don't want to use are these things. Hey man, I got it hooked up in my telephone and I'm rocking out and you're doing this and that. I can still hear everything. And besides that, loud music ain't no good. Somebody comes up behind you and wants to talk to you, they're going to scare the crap out of you. Like that, no. So, headphones, number 2. Number 3, I use every single day. Every single day. Well, I should, but mostly every single day. I use a dust mask. Put it on here like that. And you pull it. Got a little thing you pull on it behind your ears. Whee! Okay. Yeah. Snippy. It's good. And then you just throw it in the laundry when you're doing your underwear. Oh, don't throw it in with your underwear. But, or you can hand wash them, hang them up, let them dry. Number 4. Everybody needs one. You wouldn't know what you're doing without it. It's a tape. Oh. Tape. Big tape. Medium tape. Smaller tape. If you don't know how to read a tape, I'll make a simple little class on how to read tapes. I have professional friends that still call out, 2 and 2. What do you mean 2 and 2? 2 in those 2 lines. No, that's an 1/8. 2 and 4. 4/16, 4/8. What the hell are you talking about? You need to know what they stand for. I'll do a 2-minute video. Tape. You need to learn how to read one. You need a tape. Number 3 important thing. I think that's number 3. Or is that 4? Whatever it is. A tape. yeah, the fourth thing, or whatever, whatever number we're at now. Squares. These are stretch squares. Squares are important. More stretch squares. And a straight edge square thing, just whatever, just square all by itself. These ones are slidey. They slide back and forth. 45s, you slide back and forth. Very important for laying out things. Use them all the time. You like that? And let's see, how many is that? I lost count. So I got my so I got squares. I got the headphones. I got the masks. I got the safety goggles stuff. And I got gloves. Gloves don't really count. What else do I use every single day? I use my driver. Driver. Doesn't matter how many drivers you have. These are just the 3 I have here. I use them every single day. Very important, you know, with the charger and the, you gotta have a driver. I really use it every single day. For drilling, for screwing, and this special little doodad is for getting in tight places that I use a lot. So if I had to pick 5 that I use every single day, it's gonna be my eyewear, my, you know, safety, 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 and even gloves are safety. And then after that, it would be my drivers and my squares. Before you do anything, you need safety equipment. You just can't go out and get a table saw and without having glasses and headphones and a mask. Otherwise, it's gonna mess you up. So, and then, you know, drivers. So in the next video, I will go over the 5 basic tools that I used when I first started in 1989. The tools I had at the time, so I only had 5, and we'll go from there. Where'd everybody go? Hi, well, this is Kevin signing off from Humboldt County, California. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and when I can see you again, I'll see you the next time, and I'll see you whenever this thing unfogs. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye. I got a mess. Before you use these things, make sure you blow out the dust. Like that. Squares.